Good evening, everyone. Is audio and video is clear to everyone? Please do respond. Is audio and video is clear to everyone? Yeah, sounds good. Thanks for the response, guys. Thanks for the response. So let me clear some points initially. Some of the students who are attending today first class, no problem. We have not yet started, Python. Still, I am discussing basics only, guys. Like what type of softwares are available, what is software, what is the use of programming language, who can learn, what they can do. Okay, purpose of learning, purpose of learning programming language. About these points we have discussed in the class. So everyone, again I'm reminding, if you have any questions, any doubts, we'll discuss further. After the class, definitely I will give you some time for your question and answers, everyone. And one more request from my side, please put your videos off so it won't get disturbance to others, right? Audio and video, like the screen, what I am typing is enough for you. Okay, so everyone put your videos off. If you need any help, definitely I'll do it. Don't worry. Okay, so in the last session, I have explained you about the software, what type of softwares are available. What type of softwares are available, what type of software we can develop by learning Python. These are the points I have explained you. So once I will revise those points, guys, just I'll give a brush up. So what is software? What is software? Software is a set of programs. Software is a set of programs. So what is a program? Program is a set of statements. Program is a set of statements. Yes, these are the points I have explained. If anyone missed, there is a video available in the channel. I will tell you in the last. We have a video available in the channel. You can look at into that video. Okay, have explained. Just I am giving a brush up now. Right. Set of statements. What is software? Software is a set of programs. Program is a set of statements. What is a statement? Statement is a instruction. It is a instruction given to electronic device. It is an instruction given to electronic device. Right. How to give instructions to electronic devices? Yes, using programming language. Any programming language. You can use C, you can use C++, you can use Python, you can use Java, or you can use .NET. A programming language is used to, give instructions to electronic device. Those set of instructions, nothing but a program, one program. Set of programs will become a software. So by learning a programming language, I can develop a software. So again, how many type of softwares we have? Right, two types. One is system. Another one is application software, system software and application software. So coming to the point, by learning Python, yes, I don't want to talk about other programming languages. Yes, purely I'm concentrating on Python. Repeat, purely I'm concentrating on Python. Are you clear? Sir, again I'm reminding you, in the previous class also I told you, completely I will target, I repeat, completely I will target the job. I mean interview related, right? Yes, job related subject will be discussed in my class. Okay na? For time pass I am learning Python means I think you are in the wrong class. Yes, for time being, don't come to my class. If you have a target for a job, I promise you that. Right. So everyone, again I'm reminding you, job related training will be given. Sir, number of, in my class, as of now, there are around some number of students are there, right? So out of these number of students, around 400 students I have in the class now. Around these 400 students, is out of 400, at least 50%, 50%, okay, 10% already attended some interviews. Don't say no, no need to answer into my chat box. You just answer yourself. Okay. At least 10% attended interviews. Right. Some, I'm not talking about Python beta. You may attended on C, you may attended on C++, or you may attended on your core subject, some electronics related. Somewhere you attended the interview. Shabash. Now, in any interview, any interviewer, I mean, the employer who is going to give you the job, that person asked you the question on history, who invented, where invented, why invented, who is the author, why that name given to this language. 100, not 100, sir. You can challenge 1000%. They don't ask you that waste questions in the interview. If you go to interview, purely they will ask. Some 1 or 2 questions will be oral questions. After that, purely they will ask what, sir? Yes, technical questions. So where I have to become strong, technically you have to become strong. Not history, civics, commerce. Am I clear? Again, I am reminding you, sir, to become a developer, if you have 5th class mathematics, it is enough. Challenge. 5th class mathematics, it is enough. What more? Not more than this. Are you clear? As a fresher, or 1 year, or 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years, you are not eligible to write algorithms. Right? Algorithm level of writing in a industry, algorithm level of writing. Yes, you need to create your own algorithm. That level of writing will be different. Yes, you need to go for more experience. With 1 or 2 years experience, you won't write algorithms into the company. Are you getting me? So relax. Don't make tensed. Purely I am telling now, whatever the points I am discussing, if you become strong into that, you can attend the interview. Learn in that way. Whatever the topic we are learning, some X topic, whether this topic, X topic will be discussed in interview. May I get any questions in this or not? If not, remove that topic. If yes, don't leave that topic. That is the point. Okay, right. So back to the points. Right. Software. So again, I'm reminding, purely I'm concentrating on Python. By learning Python, I can develop system software and I can develop application software. Both I can develop. Are you clear? Yes, we can develop the both. By learning Python, we can develop the both. Yes, under application, again, you have different types. Standalone application, distributed application, like that different types we have. So all that I don't want to discuss now. One by one we'll go. Repeat, one by one we'll go. So today's topic, what we are going to discuss. Sir, these are the points, I repeat, these are the points what we discussed in the last class. In last class. Okay? Right. Now, today's topics, what we are going to discuss. Right. First, from what I have to install. Yeah, what are the softwares we require? Okay, now this is the first one we'll discuss. And how to write a program. How to write a program. Yes, how to write a program and how to save and how to run. Run from command prompt also. Run from command prompt also we'll discuss. Okay, now what are the things I need to install? How to write a program, how to save, how to run. Yes, from command prompt also I will show you. Okay, these are the points. Okay, right. So once if you go back, as I told you, software, by learning a programming language, we can develop a software. By learning a programming language, we can develop a software. Okay, right. So I'm not looking into any other languages. By learning Python, you are eligible for system related softwares as well as you are eligible for application related softwares. Okay, now, sir, simple points I'll tell you, remember here. C is what, sir? Procedure oriented programming, right? C++, Java, .NET. What are these? Object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. Sir, what is Python? Yes, you can tell Python is combination of these two. Combination of those two. Right. So it means Python contains, repeat, Python contains procedure oriented programming, object oriented programming. Python contains lambda functions. Okay. Not only for regular, I mean to say IT, application development programming. As I told you, we can use into system also. Yes, we can use in embedded systems. Okay, right. So these are the points you have to remember. Okay, by learning Python, how it is possible to develop system as well as application. So by learning Python, because Python supports multiple procedure oriented, object oriented, it supports lambda functions, and it is also called as, sir, listen my words carefully, called as script based. Yes, it is also called as what, sir? Script based. Right, I'll explain you. One by one, I'll explain you. What is procedure, what is object oriented, lambda functions, script based, everything I'll explain you. I'm just giving you all the points now. One by one, all the points we'll discuss. Okay, now, right. So, right, yeah. First, we'll go to the installation part. So guys, everyone, in my laptop, I am using Python 3.6 version. It's not mandatory to use the same. You can download the latest Python 3.8. Okay, now? Right. So everyone download for Windows. Remember guys, for Windows operating system, you need to download. I will show you. For Linux and for Mac, inbuilt it is available. Yes, go to terminal and type Python. You can see the Python inbuilt available. Okay, now, yes, if your so-called Linux or Mac is using old version of Python, just update it. To the latest one. Yes, don't work with the old, work with the latest. Okay, right. So in my laptop, as I told you, I'm using Python 3.6. Okay now, right? So latest version is Python 3.8. Okay, right. So from where I have to download Python? Sir, observe the screen. I'm showing you the points. Just follow that. I make a rough work into the book. Sir, everyone in the class, repeat, everyone in the class, I'm going to provide you some notes also. As I promised you, I have prepared the notes. These are the basic notes, guys. Yes, I will release the notes in parts wise. Yes, don't expect the whole notes at a stretch. Don't send me the WhatsApp message, sir, send me the notes. As per the parts wise, I will send you the notes. Remember, the notes contain the assignments also. Okay, one by one, automatically you will understand. Once go through these notes, I will put these notes into the Facebook group. I will give you the group link. Just observe these notes. So, yeah, even I have given from where to download and how to install. Yes, also I have given. Yes, everything. The whatever the points we'll discuss in a class will be there in the notes. Don't worry. And you'll have some assignments also, guys, like this. After every chapter, I repeat, after every chapter, you will get a assignment like this. Every chapter. Once we have finished identifier, immediately you will get the questions about the assignment. Okay, now, sir, everyone, initially I am putting into the, repeat, initially I am putting into the Facebook group. Later I will create, sir, later. Please don't question, sir, when, sir, when, sir, when. I will tell you, repeat, I will update you. Just give me some time. Okay, I will prepare one WhatsApp group. Into that WhatsApp group, I will share rest of the notes. Okay, right. So all simple snippets, everything is available here. Okay now? Right. So like this, after every chapter, you will get an assignment also. Yes, once in a week or twice in a week, we'll spend some time into the assignments also, sir. Mandatory, beta. Mandatory. Because I promise you, literally I'm telling, I promise you, you will learn multiple things in assignments. Different things you will learn. I promise you on that. Okay. So yes, as of now, it is around 40 pages document, I think so. Yes, sir. 40 pages document I have updated as of now. Rest of the assignments automatically I'll give you. Don't worry. All the things I will share. Okay. Right. So one by one, I am going observe carefully. This is my Facebook group. In Facebook, there is a group called Python with Naveen. Yeah, Python with Naveen. This is my group. Yeah, I got some. I have not verified, sir. I was not available. So anyway, I'll update here. Even some students are asking about the topics. What topics you are going to cover? Okay. Observe here inside the files. Python online class. This is the document. Another one I'm uploading. Yeah, right now I'll upload. So again, later you should not question me, sir. You have not uploaded. Desktop, banners, basic Python. Yeah. There it is. Okay. Happy everyone. The notes as well as the syllabus both are available into the group. Better download it from here. See, individually sending is not possible, beta. Try to understand. Individually sending is not possible. So this is the place where you can download the documents. Okay. Right. If possible, uh, I will send a mail also. I'll update you about that because once I have to take a confirmation from my management also. Okay. Here is the documents. Fine, happy, right? So now we'll look back to the one more point. This is my WhatsApp number. Yeah, hopefully you know my name. That's my name. Yeah, my name and my number. Right. So just go with the points, sir. Now back to the points. Coming to the Python 3.6, how to download into the Windows. Now observe here, python.org, python.org, downloads. Observe the screen, everyone. Downloads. Yes, Windows, Python 3.8.2. Yeah, that 8.2 is the subversion, no problem. Just click on this, the download will begin. Okay, right. Once you download, you can see one icon like this. Observe my desktop. Repeat, observe my desktop. This is icon. Okay, just double click to start installing. Are you clear? Remember one point, at the time of installation, you need to check one checkbox there. Okay, it's mandatory, beta. I will show you here. I will show you here. Observe. Right. Hopefully everyone can see here. The second one, the second checkbox must be checked. Okay, now mandatory. Why, sir? To just check, put the path. Okay, you do it. Definitely everyone do it. Right. So once you successfully install it, simple, next, finish, sir. It's not a big software to do. Okay, it's very simple to do. Okay, right. So, sir, sorry to disturb the class. Again, I'm telling to the students, repeat, again, I'm telling to the students, please don't send the messages in the middle chat box. I'm not reading any one number, any one question. Okay, hold. After the class, definitely I will take your questions. Repeat, definitely I will take your questions. Hold for a minute. You're going on typing. I'm not reading any one question, sir. Hope so. You will hold it. Right. So back to the points. Successfully what we installed? Python. Okay. Sir, one more important point. In my class, yes, around after 5-6 classes, after 5-6 classes, I will start using PyCharm. This is IDE, Integrated Development Environment. PyCharm IDE. Yes, I'm going to use this PyCharm IDE to write all my programs. Okay, right. Not immediately, I will tell you when to download PyCharm IDE also, I will tell you, relax. Right. So successfully we have installed Python. So we need a confirmation whether I installed successfully or not. Simple, guys. Go to start in your system. Go to start and search for IDLE. Repeat, IDLE. Observe the screen. IDLE. Okay, now IDLE. Integrated Development Learning Environment. Learning. LE stands for Learning Environment. Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay. Everyone open that IDLE. Observe, start, IDLE open. Just select it. There it is. So already I told you, in my machine, I am using, repeat, I am using 3.6 version. Okay, no problem, sir, because number of projects are related to that version in my system. So I cannot update to the latest one. You just work with the latest one. No changes. Happily, you can work out. No problem. If any problem occurs, I'm there. Don't worry. Right. So, everyone, this is my Python IDE. Repeat, IDLE. Okay. Right. So, hopefully, everyone is clear up to here. Simply download Python and install. Yes, these every step I have given into the notebook. I mean, notes, soft copy. Right. Next, how to write a program. How to write a program. Right. So first, decide one place where you want to save your programs. I mean, one place, one folder. Create one folder where you want to save your programs. Okay. My destination is this. Observe. In your system, you can create your own. Okay. Relax. Observe this PC, F drive, Naveen classroom, Naveen classroom. I'm creating a folder for your class, naming as Python 8 p.m. Okay now? Python 8 p.m. Yes, all your examples I'm going to save in this, like 6 o'clock students examples or some other like 4 o'clock students examples. Okay, like that I'm going to save all your examples into this. Python 8 p.m. Inside this 8 p.m. I'm creating a new folder like basics. Okay now? Sir, is that mandatory to create like this only? No, sir. If you write like this in future, when you start practicing, it will help you. You are framing the programs properly. So don't save blunderly somewhere. Save properly. How you are saving a movie? How you are saving your photographs? Yes. Save the programs also properly. Don't save blunderly somewhere. Okay? Yes, in further when you get practice, it will help you. Right. So what is my destination? F drive, Naveen classroom, 8 p.m. Inside that, basics. Okay? Sure. Now, I'm giving you the steps, guys. Just follow these steps. So, steps to create a Python file. Yes, that Python file in industry terminology, in technical terminology, we'll call it as a module. What's a module? Every module or every Python file is called as a module. Right? Step one. Step one. What is a step one? Right. Yes, open IDLE from start menu. Start menu. Step two. Step two. Let me open that. Sir, already I opened. Again, I'll open for you. Start IDLE. Open up. Now observe everyone. Don't write the program here. Observe everyone. Don't write the program here. Why? Because once you write a statement and when you move to the next line, I repeat, after finishing one line, you will come to the next line. Once you come to the next line, you cannot go back and modify the previous line. Are you getting me? For example, I will show you. What's a print hello? Yes, wantedly I am doing mistake. I'm not ending with parenthesis. Sir, what is that? Okay, can you go back and remove this code? That white spaces? You can't. Simple. Once you finish a line and come to the next line, you cannot go back and edit that line. You cannot go back and edit that line. Okay now? So everyone, don't write program here. Repeat, don't write program here directly. Create a new file. Okay? Observe. Open IDLE. In IDLE menu, select file and new file. File and new file. Oh, I closed ideally, sir. Again, I will open. There it is. Sir, observe. This is ideally menu beta. This is ideally menu. Okay. In that ideally menu, select file, new file. File, new file. Right. Observe, new file is open. Okay, now. Now write your program. What? Print hello Python students. Right. All the syntaxes, everything I'll explain you. Right. So done, program is written. Once you write the program, save it. Okay, let me finish the point. Point number 3. In new file, write the program and save it. Right. So this is my example program and save. Remember, while saving the program, you can give any name. Right? While saving the program, you can give any name, your wish, any name. But the file extension must be .py. Yes, the .py tells it is a Python file. Sir, .mp3 music file, JPG, PNG, photographs, images, like that MP4 video file. Similarly, .py Python file, or you can say module. Right. While saving the program, you can give any name. But the file extension must be .py. Okay, done. Now back to my program. Let me save. File, save. Sir, be careful. We created basics folder na. Save into that. So tomorrow when I open, it will be easy. If you save blunderly, we cannot find where I have saved it. Okay. So create a proper folder and save it. Yes, mandatory. Start using that. Sir, for time being, I am not telling. Repeat, for time being, I am not telling. When you join a company, assume unfortunately you got a job. Huh? Unfortunately, you got a job. So, after joining a company, you cannot save files blunderly better. Okay, we need to follow an order. So, habituate that from now. Right. So, F drive, Naveen classroom. Right. Python 8 p.m. Inside the Python 8 p.m. basics. Right. File name demo1.py. Right. Even you don't give .py. What is the file name I have given? Demo1. What is the extension? .py. Even if you don't give .py, by default it is saving with what, sir? Python file. Now simply click on save. Save. Successfully saved. Once observe here. F drive, Naveen classroom, Python 8 p.m. basics, demo1.py. Sir, I'm teaching like to second standard students. So everyone should not do mistakes. I'm there to help you, but still, I will help you. Even you do any mistakes, I will help you. But still, keep one point into the mind that I should not do. I have to get a output. Okay? 100%, sir. If you do mistakes, then only you can learn the subject. From mistakes only, we have to learn the subject. That's good. Right. Anyway, successfully file is saved. Once saved, sir, observe here. Run. On screen, everyone. Run. Yes, run module. I told you now, module, Python file. Run module. You can see the output. Hello Python students. Or simply you can press F5. Function key in your keyboard, function key. Okay, right. So while saving the program, you can give any name, but the extension must be .py. To run the program, use F5. That's it. That's it. Sir, we'll do everything one more time, sir. I'm confused. Yes, myself, Naveen confused. Not Naveen students, Naveen confused. Okay, no problem. We'll do it one more time. Right. Start. Ideally, file, new file, beta, new file. Okay, write the program, print, double quotes open. What's that? Python with Naveen. Okay, close the double quotes, close the parenthesis. Next, print. Welcome to Sathya Tech. We are habituated to type Sathya Tech. Sathya Technologies. Right. Done. Now file, save. Where? Go to the same destination. Don't save blunderly. Okay. F drive. Naveen classroom. Python 8 p.m. Basics. Give the file demo2. Yes, already I told by default it will take Python file extension, right? Save. Successfully saved. Use F5 to run the program. There it is. Python with Naveen. Welcome to Sathya Tech. Close. Right, even I'm closing this. So this is a way to write a Python program, and this is a way to save and run. Okay, right. Now it's very important to run from command prompt. Steps to run program from command prompt. Yes, everyone, sir. I don't know the above one you will practice or not, but this blue one, whatever I'm writing, steps to run program from command prompt, mandatory. Repeat, mandatory. Why? Because in companies, server setup, GitHub, yes, Git repositories, pushing your code into the Git, commit, cloning the code, all that we'll do from the command prompts, guys. So everyone, it's recommended, not recommended, mandatory, get practiced with command prompts. Okay now? Now, point number 1, open command prompt. Point number 2, in command prompt, move to your Python file location. Point number 2. What is the point number 2? In command prompt, move to your Python file location. Where is our Python file? In F drive, Naveen classroom, Python 8 p.m. basics. Sir, confusing. No problem. Just open that in your folder. Right. Let me open that. My computer. Observe everyone. My computer. F drive. Naveen classroom. Python 8 p.m. Inside the basics. Right. Inside the basics you have files, Python files. Right. Now it is very simple, guys. Observe the screen. Go to this address bar. Remove that address bar, and simply type CMD there. Right. Let me change my command prompt color. There it is. Now observe. is am into the same location. F drive, F drive. Naveen classroom, Naveen classroom. Python 8 p.m., Python 8 p.m., basics, basics. Right? Happy. Now what I have to do? Simply type a command. So what is the second point? In command prompt, move to your Python file location and type the command as what's here? Python file name dot py. Python space, guys, space. One single space enough. Python space file name dot py. Now observe the screen. Python space file name. What is my file name? Demo1.py. Enter. Hello Python. Yes, there is a spelling mistake in that. No problem. Mean. Right. Python students. In Python interview, they don't ask you for the spelling, guys. Relax. Right. So, next, Python demo2.py. Python with Naveen. Welcome to Sathya Tech. Okay? Shabash. So, this is a way to run the program in command prompt. Sir, again I'm reminding to everyone, it's mandatory to run the program in command prompt. So keep that point into the mind. Everyone in the session, everyone in the class. Okay. So what we have done successfully, right? All the points, repeat all the points. What all the points? How to install, how to write program, how to save, how to run in command prompt. Okay now? So everyone, it's mandatory to get practice with command prompt. Sir, how to work with command prompt? I have given steps here. Sir, observe everyone. You have multiple points. You have notes. As well as you will have this class video in Sathya Technologies YouTube channel. You will find this video. If you miss any point, you can go back and you can look at into the video also. Yes, in YouTube channel, search for Sathya Technologies. You'll find your YouTube videos. Okay, just go through. If you miss any point, okay now, everyone in the class, right? So successfully we have done with the installation and how to write a program, how to save and how to run from command prompt. Okay, sure. Now I will tell you some other points. Yes, related to the subject. Topic is not finished. Topic is not finished yet. Right. Sir, throughout the Python, you go to any big program, your wish. You go to any big Python program, you will have three entities beta. What's that? Three entities. What? One, that is class. Two, function, or you can say it as a method. Three, variable. Right? If you go to any Python program, you will have only these three entities. What's it? Entities. Sir, if you know about these three entities, I repeat, if you become perfect into these three entities, done. Done, I am telling done. You know complete Python, sir. Are you clear? You know complete Python. Okay? Very fine. So what we do is, as of now, I am stopping the session. enough for today, right? As I told you, class will be for 1 hour, right? Yes, within 3 or 4 days, I will, not exactly 3 or 4 days, I need at least 4 to 5 days. So I will make the class for 2 hours. So everyone listen to my points carefully. Everyone, before leaving the class, listen to my points. The students who are asking the questions, wait for your question. Let me read, because I'm getting multiple questions, guys. Around 400 students. If one student they ask one question also, it will become 400 questions. Okay, so at least if half students ask also, it will become 200 questions. So everyone, if you wait for some time, once I read your question, and some students are typing the same question and again, don't do that. Repeat, don't do that. Okay, tomorrow we'll start doing the programs. Repeat, tomorrow we'll start doing the programs. So everyone finish your basics like installation, setup, and everything. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can type into the chat box. If there are no questions, we'll continue tomorrow at same timing, 8 o'clock. See you for the day. Bye. Yeah, rest of the students wait who have doubts. Who have doubts, wait. Sir, about Shivasai Kumar, about course content and everything I uploaded. Mr. Sai, I uploaded into the Facebook. You can download it from there. So if you are already downloaded Anaconda, no problem. Leela Devi, I don't have Facebook. How can I get the notes? Leela Devi, no problem. I'll try to send the notes to the mail also. If not, tomorrow I will take your number. Yeah, Leela Devi, I think I answered your question. Sir, my WhatsApp number is somewhere I have written. Yeah, that's my number, guys. That's my number. Sir, are you teaching OOPS also? Yes, definitely I will teach OOPS. Make other source to download the material, sir, other than Facebook. Okay, guys, I do one thing. I'll give you one link. The students who don't have a Facebook account, I'll give you the link. Just wait a second, everyone. I'll give you the drop down link, Dropbox link. You can download from here. Just give me a second. Guys, that is a link. Even I am sending to everyone in the chat box. I am sending everyone into the chat box, beta. That is a link from where you can download the notes, PDF notes. Yes, I sent everyone into the chat box. Are demo 1 and demo 2 are classes? No, they are Python files. Deepkar, I think they are files. Same process in Linux also. Simply open the terminal, type Python, Python command prompt will open. Directly you can write the program there. I think Lakshman, I told you about the video. You can look at into the video in Sathya Technologies YouTube channel. Sathya Technologies YouTube channel. No problem, Karthik. You can use Anaconda. Indranil, I will check your system later. As of now, just work out with the ideally. Later, within 1 or 2 days, I'll check your system and I'll set the path.